Introducing the Forest Master FM18DDES Professional Wood Chipper and Garden Shredder. The FM18DDES is our most powerful wood chipper yet. Process massive amounts of wood so you can finish your job faster and with less effort. The direct drive system delivers power and simplicity with minimal maintenance required. Featuring the latest LCT Max 18 horsepower 478cc 4-stroke petrol engine, this powerhouse is ready to chip through any freshly cut wood from hard to soft, ensuring you have the performance you need for even the toughest jobs. Fire up instantly with the convenient electric start or use the reliable pull start as a backup, giving you flexibility and peace of mind on every job. Designed to handle connected branches without the need to trim beforehand, saving you time and effort. Featuring twin reversible blades so you can get double the lifespan from a single set. Rotate the drum into the flat angle position, allowing you to feed branches up to 5 inches in diameter, making quick work of even your largest wood chipping jobs. To handle smaller debris, rotate the drum into the vertical hopper position. This is perfect for shredding thinner branches, leaves, and wet green material. For the best performance in the vertical angle, we recommend using our dedicated mulcher discharge chute. The FM18DDES is designed and engineered in the UK, a testament to quality, durability, and professional-grade performance. Protected by both a UK patent and an international patent, this machine stands as proof of its innovative design and professional engineering. For ultimate power, simplicity, and efficiency, the FM18DDES is the professional wood chipper you've been waiting for.